Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Dr. Donna. Welcome to week 40 of 5. Last week I read Who Moved My Cheese. Here's what I have for you. Do I recommend the book? Yes, I do. Last week's risk, I had to change my workout. As you know, I'm a former MP and a former soldier, and we like to go big and go hard, but I'm also 46 years old, and now I have to work smarter instead of harder. And I know that it'll take me a little bit longer to get to my goal, but I'm going to get the results the right way and without any injury. This week's book, Decisive: How to Make Better Choices in Life and Work. Well, that's my time, ladies and gentlemen, but before I get out of here, just remember the strive for 5. Take risk and thrive. Adios.